Hello students, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction in a pair. Let's take one example. 5 balls plus 2 balls is equal to 7 balls. Now if we remove 5 balls from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are left? Yes, 2 balls are left. Means 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And if we remove 2 balls from 7, 1, 2, how many balls are left? Yes, 5 balls are left. Means 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. From every example of addition, we can get 2 examples of subtraction. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. But when you add the same numbers, you get only one example of subtraction. For example, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. We get only one subtraction. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Second example, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We get only one subtraction. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Let's see some more examples. Example 1. Here we have number 75. If we add 30 and 45, we get 75. Of this addition, we can get 2 subtractions as follows. Subtraction will be 75 minus 30 is equal to 45. And another subtraction will be 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. Example 2. Here we have number 30. If we add 20 and 10, we get 30. Of this addition, we can get 2 subtractions as follows. Subtraction will be 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. And another subtraction will be 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So students, in this way we can get 2 subtractions from one addition. Solve the following. Vedashri read 9 pages of a book. How many pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? What is given? Yes, number of pages read and number of pages to be read. What should we do? Addition or subtraction? There are 2 methods. Method 1, I will take away 9 from 15 and see how many are left. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Method 2, I will count from 9 forward up to 15 to get the subtraction. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Therefore, 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Hassan collected 30 seeds. Some of them are chiku seeds and the remaining 22 seeds are of custard apples. How many chiku seeds are there? So students, what is given? Chiku seeds and custard apple seeds. What is asked? Total number of chiku seeds. Method 1, we will do subtraction. Total seeds are 30. Custard apple seeds are 22. So we will subtract custard apple seeds from total seeds to get chiku seeds. 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. Method 2, we will do addition. We will count forward from 22 to get total number of seats up to 30. We get 8. So 22 plus 8 is equal to 30. Therefore 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. Therefore there are 8 chiku seeds. Let's solve. 8 plus dash is equal to 17. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Therefore 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 29 plus dash is equal to 32. 29 plus 3 is equal to 32. Therefore 32 minus 3 is equal to 29 and 32 minus 29 is equal to 3. 42 plus dash is equal to 49. 42 plus 7 is equal to 49. Therefore 49 minus 7 is equal to 42 and 49 minus 42 is equal to 7. Let's start with the next topic, a subtraction story. Vaishali had brought 54 beads. She had 21 beads left after making a string of beads. How many beads did she thread into the string? So students, Vaishali brought 54 beads and after making a string of beads, 21 beads were left. So we will remove 21 beads from 54. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So Vaishali threaded 33 beads into the string. Let's solve one more word problem. Sudhir had 46 marbles. He lost 12 of them. How many does he still have? Students, in this word problem, what is given? Sudhir had 46 marbles and he lost 12 of them. So we will subtract 12 from 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 marbles lost. Now we will subtract 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 34 marbles left. Carry out the following subtraction. 26 minus 12. Students, first we will subtract unit place. 6 minus 2. 1, 2. Answer is 4. And now we will subtract 10 place. 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. So 26 minus 12 is equal to 14. Second example, 98 minus 40. Students, first we will subtract 8 minus 0. Answer is 8. And 9 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 5. So 98 minus 40 is equal to 58. So students, I hope you all have understood addition and subtraction in a pair and a subtraction story. Thank you.